Good afternoon, everyone. Let's have a little look at sweat for next week. So there's some nice little juicy ones in here coming up. Monday starting off, this is a repeat workout, rinse and repeat. This is a CrossFit Games workout that we took a little spin and a little twist and put it into the sweat room. So it is a repeat if you have done it. It's every 2 minutes times 8. There's always a 100-meter run or row to start off, and then there'll be a calorie number to finish off. So it might be like run 100 meters, 8 calorie bike or ski, and obviously get a good bit of rest there, and rounds will go on 10, 12, so forth. You go all the way up until you do a round of your run or your row and your 18 calories. You're gonna have 2 rounds of max calories. So your score is gonna be the total accumulation of calories done. So that'll be 8 plus 10 plus 12, 14, 16, 18, and then 2 rounds of max calories. This gets real rough. It's like slow, easy, steady. Okay, this is tough, but it's only tough for like 4 to 6 minutes, so it's a nice one. Tuesday then we're moving on to a high rocks workout, teams of 2. This is 5 rounds total. To complete, all work is shared. It's going to be a 500-meter run, 20 burpees normal, and they're not broad jump burpees, 20 normal burpees, 500-meter row for the lads, 400 for ladies, and 30 wall balls. So that's chop and change any way you want. It is just 5 rounds straight through for time. So nice kind of sweaty one. Sweat endurance on Wednesday. I'm looking forward to this one myself. This is going to be 333 in sweat. So 333 again, another CrossFit Games workout, which was a 3K run, a 3K row, 300 dubs, and a 3K run. We're going to put our own little twist on it. It says the 3K run, 3K ski, and 3K row. So we're going to sub out those dubs for the ski. So there's still that upper body component, like dubs, and even that kind of calf raise component even on the ski. Now, this will be done straight through. Half the class will start on run, half the class will start on row. There'll be a load of skis in the center, so we'll never cross paths, but it is straight through. So do check your score, because we actually have done that before. Moving on to Thursday, bike club. So hopefully now, if you did last week's session, we're moving on to session number 2. Again, part A, part B. And like last, we're going to be working on some different intensities. So we're going to be working, part A is every 3 minutes. You're going to complete a 1,000-meter bike. You're going to do 5 rounds of that. And that is, again, faster than your pace you would have been performing at your 21k bike. So let's say, again, you had a 2-minute pace on average for that 21k. You're going to go 10, maybe even 15 seconds faster. We want you getting used to doing higher RPMs, letting your legs go fast, taking a bit of rest and recharging. All right, so working on the intensity and the speed side of things there. And we'll have a rest. We're going to have 11k bike, and we're going to be going up to damper 7 now on our bike. Damper 7, yeah, just checking there. So again, we're starting to work on volume and strength there. So we have that leg endurance and strength. So both parts of the class, there's going to be speed and nearly that endurance or volume. So 2 good parts to get in there. Friday, have all the machines out, right? And I want you to think that this is a sprint type session. All right, so it's every 2 minutes you're going to complete 200-meter run, a 400 or a 400-meter bike, or 200-meter ski or 200-meter row. So you'll have 2 minutes to complete all of them. You rest the remainder. Now, if you sauntered them, you'd get through it easily. But we want you to try think, sprint it, all right, create power, rest and recover, and then repeat again. All right. So great little session there. 5 rounds through that, so a total of 14 minutes to get through that. What if I will ask you for a heap of scores on each round there, so you can score each round for time, and it'll give you a total accumulation of time there as well. Saturday is a pacing challenge. All right, so there is 10 minutes to complete. So it's like the opposite to Friday there. Friday is like sprint and recover. This is going to be a bit of proper pacing, so you can try recover through this. 10 minutes to complete a 2-kilometer run, 10 minutes to complete a 4-kilometer bike, 10 minutes to complete a 2-kilometer row, and then 10 minutes to complete a 2-kilometer ski. Technically, it's the 10k challenge straight through and broken up. So we do have some paces up there. You must, on your 2k run, have a 5-minute or under kilometer pace, faster to get that done. On your bike, you must have a 230 per k or faster to get it done. On your row, it's 230 per 500 meters. Same on the ski, 230 per 500 meters to get that done, or faster than them. So they'll be up on Wodify as well. If you know those pacings aren't, or those distances, you're not going to be able to hold those paces, please chat to a coach and they will adjust it for you. So some great sessions throughout the week. Definitely probably going to hit the endurance session and probably the bike session. I always try to get about 2 sweats in a week, and I always try to mix and match them, but I'll try to get them in. So do plan out your week.